First up is this really yummy beet and pecan salad. First, we're just gonna take some arugula, top it with some red onion, some cucumber, avocado, beets, and pecans. Then we're just gonna dress it with a little bit of olive oil, or a lot. Just a little bit of honey. I use probably a little under a tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna mix it all together at this point. Then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the red wine vinegar and some black pepper. And then just toss it up one more time and you're good to go. Perfect to pair with any summer dish or to eat just by itself. Number 2 is an equally as yummy radish salad with pine nuts. I'm just gonna start with, I'm using half arugula and half spinach, and I'm just kind of tearing apart the leaves so that it's easier to eat that way. I'm gonna add the radish, cucumber, red onion, avocado, sprinkle a little pepper on top, add the pine nuts, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and a little or a lot of olive oil. Then we're just gonna mix it all together, and there you have it. Lastly, we have this pear and walnut salad. I'm just breaking apart the leaves again. I'm using half spinach, half arugula. Add in the cucumbers, the red onion, a little pepper, some olive oil, then we're gonna add some balsamic vinegar, changing it up this time. Then at this point, we're just gonna toss it, and then we're gonna add in the pear. Now adding some walnuts on top, and tossing it again, and we're done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love these salads. They're amazing, like I said earlier, to pair with any kind of summer dish or just to eat alone. I will be back next week.